5. Cinematographer. With the proliferation of optical devices at the end of the 19th century, audiovisual spectacles became fashionable and patents were registered by researchers such as Edison, accelerating the race towards cinema. What Edison developed were two gadgets. On the one hand, the kinetograph, basically a heavy and complicated movable camera, and, on the other hand, the kinetoscope, a device that allowed a single person to watch movies and that was difficult to handle due to its volume. Furthermore, his camera, like all those of the time, needed to stop the film for a long time before exposing the next frame to light. Other inventors around the world also tinkered and experimented with film technology, building gadgets with catchy names like bioscope or theatrograph, but none went down in history. With the brothers Auguste and Louis Lumière, it was quite different. They saw Edison's device and kept working until getting something far superior. They improved the camera. They created a system to develop the film they had shot without having to take it to a laboratory. They made it work by giving it a crank so as not to depend on electricity. They invented how to use the camera mechanism backwards so that it would rewind the developed film, and how to project light through it to display the images on entire walls or screens, allowing the audience to see them. In short, all-in-one and light and portable. Before presenting the cinematographer to the general public, they held a series of meetings or private parties where they showed films that they had filmed with it before groups of distinguished guests, increasing the interest and expectation. It was on December the 28th, 1895, in the Indian Room of the Grand Café in Paris, where the Lumière brothers projected a series of 10 short films, like mini-documentaries. The departure from the factory, the arrival of the train, the sea, the sprinkler sprinkled, etc. And since then, the world changed forever.